Welcome back, Math Grizz! Today, we will learn how to multiply by 11.
11 times 0. We have 11 groups with 0 inside. So if we count up everything inside of our groups, we know we get 0. 11 times 0 equals 0. 11 times 1. We have 11 groups with 1 inside of each group. We know that gives us the product 11. 11 times 1 equals 11. 11 times 2. We have 11 groups with 2 inside of each of those groups. Or we can do 11 plus 11. So we have 2 11s. That will give us 22. 11 times 2 equals 22. You might notice a pattern. 11 times 3. We have 11 groups with 3 inside of each group. Or we can do 11 plus 11 plus 11 3 times, which gives us 33. 11 times 3 equals 33. 11 times 4 means 11 groups with 4 inside of each group. Or we can add 11 4 times. 11 plus 11 plus 11 plus 11 is 44. 11 times 5 means 11 groups with 5 inside of each group. Or we can add 11 5 times, which gives us 55. Now we can notice a pattern. 11 times 6 would have to be 66. So 11 times 7, we know that would be 77. Each time we are adding 11. You notice here 11 plus 11 is 22, plus 11 makes 33, plus 11 more gives us 44, plus 11 is 55.
Plus 11 gives us 66, and if we add another 11, we get 77.
Let's go ahead and do 11 times 8. 11 groups of 8, or we can add 11 8 times, which gives us 88. 11 times 9 means 11 groups of 9, or we can add 11 9 times, which gives us 99. 11 times 10 would be 11 10 times, which gives us 110. 11 times 11. 11 groups of 11, or 11 11 times. If we know this is 110, we can add 11 and we get 121. 11 times 12. We need 11 groups of 12 or 11 12 times. We have 121. We can add 11. We get 132. Remember, each time you are adding 11. So we notice here, we go from 88 to 99 to 110 to 121 to 132.